Have you ever wondered about the symptoms and causes of timing chain failure in your vehicle? It's a question that many of us don't consider until we're faced with a breakdown or a costly repair bill. But understanding the role of the timing chain in your vehicle's operation is essential. This humble component, often unseen and unheard, plays a pivotal role in synchronizing your engine's functions. Housed inside the engine, the timing chain has a significant advantage. It's continuously lubricated with oil, reducing noise and increasing longevity. But this also makes diagnosis and replacement a challenge. That's where we come in. This video will provide a step-by-step guide to understanding the symptoms and causes of timing chain failure. We'll delve into the telltale signs of wear and malfunction, from murmuring sounds to the dreaded check engine light. Understanding these symptoms and causes can help prevent serious damage to your vehicle. So let's delve in and get to know your timing chain a little better. First, let's understand what a timing chain is and how it works. A timing chain, similar to a bicycle chain, plays a crucial role in your vehicle's engine. It's securely nestled inside the engine, linking the crankshaft and the camshaft. This chain ensures that the engine's valves open and close at the right time during each cylinder's intake and exhaust strokes. In essence, it's the maestro conducting the symphony of your engine's operation. Now, despite its sturdiness and oil lubrication, the timing chain isn't immune to wear and tear. Over time, it can stretch, weaken, and even break, a situation every motorist dreads. A faulty timing chain disrupts engine timing, leading to poor performance or even severe engine damage. So even though you can't see it under the hood, its role is pivotal. It's like the silent, invisible hero of your engine. Now that we know what a timing chain is, let's move on to the symptoms of its failure. Timing chain failure can show itself in several ways. Let's dive into the main symptoms that may signal a potential issue with your timing chain. Firstly, one of the most significant signs of timing chain failure is a distinct murmuring sound coming from the engine during operation. This sound is unique and can be heard from the side where the timing mechanism is located. It's a telltale sign that the chain drive might be weakening or stretching. For context, a small gap of up to 0.4 of an inch in the chain can increase the risk of the timing chain jumping the gear tooth by 50 to 60% during the start of the power unit. Apart from the murmuring sound, a metallic noise from the engine when running at idle speed can also be a symptom of timing chain failure. This noise, different from the usual hum of a healthy engine, can be a clear indication of wear or stretching of the timing chain. Another sign to watch out for is excessive engine vibration at idle speed. If the timing chain is worn or stretched, it may cause the engine to rattle or vibrate more than usual. This is due to the chain not being able to maintain precise synchronization between the crankshaft and the camshaft, causing irregular engine performance. Lastly, the appearance of the check engine indicator on your dashboard could also be a warning sign of a timing chain issue. While this indicator can light up for various reasons, a timing chain problem can be one of them. If your check engine light comes on and you're also experiencing any of the other symptoms we've discussed, it's a good idea to have your vehicle checked by a professional. In summary, the main symptoms of timing chain failure include a murmuring sound from the engine, metallic noise at idle speed, excessive engine vibration, and the appearance of the check engine indicator on your dashboard. Knowing these symptoms can help you identify a potential timing chain failure early. Having discussed the symptoms of timing chain failure, let's now focus on specific factors that accelerate this failure. First off, defects in chain design can significantly contribute to the rapid wear and tear of the timing chain. For instance, some cars, even new ones, may exhibit alarming symptoms almost immediately after leaving the dealership. A classic example is the timing chain issues experienced by Volkswagen cars equipped with TSI engines from 2010 to 2014. These cars suffered from a critical problem associated with rapid wear of the timing chain, with some models not even making it past 40,000 miles. This was largely due to the chain's excessive vibration during engine startup and shutdown, a consequence of using a defective rack in the power unit assembly. Therefore, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with information about the engine, especially the timing drive, when purchasing a used car. Secondly, the quality and frequency of oil changes play a significant role in timing chain health. Older models equipped with timing belt engines could endure tens of thousands of miles on a single oil change. Newer models with chain synchronization, however, require regular lubrication changes, preferably every 4,000 to 6,000 miles with high-grade oil. Using low-quality oil or incorrect lubricant specifications can be extremely detrimental to the timing system parts. Similarly, an oil level that's too low or too high can impair engine performance, particularly the timing gear. Lastly, driving habits also contribute to the lifespan of a timing chain. Vehicles that constantly travel short distances are more prone to timing chain problems. This is due to the powertrain not reaching the optimal operating conditions. When a cold engine runs at high speeds over short distances, its timing drive wears out faster. In summary, the factors that accelerate timing chain failure include design defects, the quality and frequency of oil changes, and certain driving habits. Being aware of these factors can help you take preventive measures to prolong the lifespan of your timing chain. Let's recap the key points about timing chain failure. This critical component, hidden within your engine, may show signs of wear or malfunction in several ways. The most significant of these is a distinctive murmuring sound from under the valve cover. Other signs include a metallic noise at idle speed, excessive engine rattling or vibration, the appearance of the check engine indicator, or even complete or partial stopping of the power unit. These symptoms indicate severe wear or stretching of the timing chain, which can lead to serious engine damage if left unchecked. The causes of timing chain failure often boil down to lack of regular maintenance or use of substandard parts. Regular checks and quality components are your best defense against this issue. Remember, understanding the symptoms and causes of timing chain failure can help prevent serious damage to your vehicle. Stay informed, stay safe,